begin Chapter 5, Sections 1 and 2, Part 1. Problem number 1. If you pay $5,500 for a simple interest note that will be worth $6,000 in 21 months, what annual simple interest rate will you earn? So here we have the simple interest formula. A equals P times 1 plus RT. A is your future value, so we know that 6,000 is our future value. P is our principal or present value, and that is 5,500, times 1 plus the rate, which is what we're trying to solve, and the time is 21 months, and we're going to divide 21 divided by 12, because time has to be in years. So we divide 21 divided by 12, and then times 5,500. So let's do that distribution. And that is when you divide and multiply, that comes out to 9,625 R. Now combine like terms, 5,500, and that is 500 is equal to 9,625 R. Divide both sides by 9,625. Now when you divide 500 divided by that number, you end up with 0.052. And then you have to multiply by 100. So the rate is equal to 5.2%. 0.052 times 100 is equal to 5.2%. So let's look at number 2. Here you have an investor buys a 39-week T-bill with a maturity value of $25,000 for $23,543. What annual simple interest rate will the investor earn? So again, we're going to use the same simple interest formula, with A being our future value of $25,000 is equal to our present value of $23,543 times 1 plus R, which is what we're trying to solve for the rate. And the time is a 39-week T-bill, so 39 divided by 52 weeks. And now we can distribute and combine like terms. So 25,000 is equal to 23,543, plus when you divide and multiply, you end up with 17,657.25 R, and subtract 23,543 from both sides, and you're left with 1,457 is equal to 17,657.25 R, and divide both sides by 17,657.25, and you end up with 0.082 times 100, and the rate is 8.25. And that is the answer for number 2. Number 3, here we have compounded problems. So what amount will be in an account after 1.5 years if 4,000 is invested at 5% compounded semi-annually? So for these problems, you can use the compound interest formula, or you can use the graphic calculator. And I will use the graphic calculator for this. So here you're going to press the apps, finance, TVM solver, and let's enter the data in here. So N is your time, and your time here is 1.5 years. I is your interest rate in percent form, and that's 5 years. 5%. PV is the present value, and that's 4,000. There are no payments. Future value is what you're trying to solve. PY is paying periods per year, and you only have one paying period per year. And C/Y is your compounded periods per year, and compounded semi-annually is equal to 2. So here are all our numbers. Now we're trying to solve for the future value, and we press alpha enter. And the future value here is $4,307.56. So going to this part 2 of number 3, the n is the same, it's the same time, same interest rate, same present value, future value we're trying to solve, and c/y is compounded quarterly. So compounded quarterly is 4 times per year. Going up to the future value, alpha enter, and your future value for compounded quarterly is $4,309.53. Moving on to the next, compounded monthly. Again, everything stays the same. Let's take out the future value, and c/y, compounded monthly, is 12 times per year. And alpha enter the future value. And we see here the future value is a little bit more. So $4,310.86 is what you're going to receive if your money is compounded monthly. Now moving to the next, compounded daily. So here, compounded daily, let's delete future value, and c/y is 360 days a year. And compounded 360 days a year is future value is equal to $4,311.51. And the next, compounded continuous, is c/y is 1 million, which is a very large number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Compounded continuously is your c/y is 1 million. And alpha enter your future value, and you see it's very close to compounded daily, just off by a couple of cents. And 54 cents is compounded continuously, and this completes part 1 of chapter 5.1 and 2.